So at this point, I'm just mixing the dough without kneading it, and I'm gonna cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is up, I'm gonna take the cover off, and I'm gonna use a little bit of water to just fold it at least 4 times. I'm gonna put the cover back on and repeat the same process at least 3 more times with the 5 minutes apart. So you want to keep repeating the same process until you get a very soft, fluffy dough. So now I'm done folding the dough, and I'm just gonna leave it on the counter for 30 minutes so that it can start to rise. And I'm gonna take olive oil, put it in this little baggie, and I'm gonna put the dough in there and keep it in the fridge for maybe 2 days. Wow, 2 days later and it's all fluffy and ready to be baked. After spreading out the dough, I'm just gonna cover it for another 5 minutes so that it can rise just a little bit before I start adding my cheese and my toppings. So for the topping, I'm using mushrooms. I love mushrooms, especially with pesto. So all I did was I sauteed the mushrooms in pesto and garlic and some onions, and yeah, look at that. So the dough is covered in cheese now. I'm gonna add my spinach and hot peppers. That's not hot peppers, that's orange bell peppers. And I'm gonna bake it for 30 minutes at 450 degrees. I wish I had hot peppers though.